If you're having issue with this annoying sound while moving your steering wheel up and down, I'm gonna show you most efficient solution on how to fix it. First thing we're gonna do is to remove this little cover behind steering wheel. You will notice mechanical moving parts and you will quickly find where the sound comes from, as I will show you right now in the clip. Now grab your WD-40 and just simply spray over those bearings and screws. We're gonna do it on both left and right side. As you can hear, annoying sound is removed. If this video helped you, make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.